Well, you know you're good at what you do, but how can you let people that you meet face to face know that without bragging? What if someone asks for your details, but they don't have a phone or a pen or any paper handy? Today's lesson is all about business cards. Well, I was at a big meeting way back when, and my friend Sammy comes running over and tells me to look at the man in the back of the room. Well, I look over and I say, "Hey, what's his game?" My friend Sammy says, "I don't know, but whatever it is, he's got the best looking card." Well, I saw his business card later on, and I tell you, it was a 1/4 inch thick, embossed with silver. Business cards might not seem cool or hip today, but I tell you, they still work. If you've met someone and talked business, hand them your card at the end. That way they don't have to write your details down or punch it into their phone or have you text them or whatever else. The other benefit of having a business card is not only do they not have to write anything down, they won't accidentally get your number wrong. They've got many ways to connect with you. You can have your email address, phone number, physical address, social media handles, anything else you may want to put on there. You have options. Along with the information on your business card, make it good, make it personable, add some design elements, and make sure it's a nice thick business card. People will notice. I'm sure you've also noticed it's time to press that subscribe button and hit the like button, because it's the end of this video. We'll see you next time.